If you've never used a garden weeder like this, you need to use one now. This is a lifesaver, game changer. This is so nice. All you do to use this is you go over where the middle of the weed is, you step down on it, then you pull down on the handle. The weed comes out, roots and all. You don't have to bend your back or reach over to pull out the weed. You don't have to have amazing hand strength to pull it out. This really simplifies weeding. In fact, it actually kind of makes it fun. This is a really impressive tool. I've used several like this. I'm really impressed with the overall quality of this. It's all metal, very durable. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let me show you a closer look. I want to show you what it looks like as it arrives so you can kind of get a better idea of what the material is like. So here's kind of a close-up look at the handle. You can see this is a sturdy handle, fairly thick. It's got a lot of threading on here for the strength. Everything is metal other than this part of the handle for gripping. Then here's a closer look at the claw part. So it just goes into the ground, grabs a hold of the weed, you step on it here like this, then you pull it out, and that is all there is to it. So there are a few screws that you can tighten if it ever becomes loose, but obviously putting this together really doesn't take long at all. It's just a matter of screwing the handles together, but having it come separate like this makes shipping a lot nicer because it's a much smaller package. And you can see that's pretty impressive right there. You can barely see where the line is, but it looks just like one big long handle. As you can see from the clips I've been showing you, it really does make things super simple. It's so nice to use, really easy to pull up weeds, especially if the weed has a taproot and a very clear middle. You just go over the top, pull it right out, comes right out. There are times when you pull out a weed and it doesn't automatically fall out, so you might have to wiggle this a bit, but that's probably the greatest extent of the work that you're going to have to do. This works great for dandelions in the lawn because they have large taproot, so it's easy to find the middle, just pull it right out. Other weeds, this works fantastic. If you want to save your back and just make your life easier, you got to check this out.